Welcome to the Abdali Grammar School YouTube channel, where learning meets limitless possibilities. Abdali Science Lecture Number 1. Our today lecture is on ecosystem. Hello, young explorers. Welcome to our exciting world of ecosystems. Today, we will learn all about ecosystems and the factors that make them unique. Are you ready for an adventure? Let's dive in. An ecosystem is a community of living things, like plants and animals, and non-living things. Ecosystems are important because they provide many benefits. They give animals and plants a home, provide us with food and resources like wood and fresh air, and help keep a balance in nature. We can help protect ecosystems by being kind to nature, not littering, conserving resources like water and electricity, planting trees and flowers, and learning about ecosystems to spread the word to others. Every little action we take to protect ecosystems makes a big difference in keeping our planet healthy. Let's move towards the types of ecosystem. There are different types of ecosystems on Earth. Some of these are forest ecosystem, pond ecosystem, river ecosystem, desert ecosystem, and grassland ecosystem. 1. Forest ecosystem. This ecosystem has many tall trees, plants, and animals. You can find animals like squirrels, birds, and deer in the forest. It provides a home for many creatures. 2. Pond ecosystem. A pond ecosystem is a small body of fresh water, usually with calm water. It is home to various plants like water lilies and algae, as well as animals like fish, frogs, turtles, and insects. 3. River ecosystem. A river ecosystem is a flowing body of water that starts from a source, such as a mountain, and flows into a larger body of water, like a lake or an ocean. It supports a variety of life forms, including fish, water plants, insects, and mammals like beavers. Rivers provide habitats, food, and water for both aquatic and terrestrial animals. 4. Desert ecosystem. This ecosystem is found in very hot and dry places with very little water. Special plants like cacti and animals like camels can survive here. They have special ways to live in the harsh desert conditions. 5. Grassland ecosystem. This ecosystem has wide open spaces with lots of grass. Animals like zebras and giraffes can be found here. It's like a big playground for these animals to run and eat. Let's move forward. It's time to discuss the factors of an ecosystem. As we know, ecosystem is formed by the interaction of living and non-living components of the environment. So, there are the two types of factors in an ecosystem: biotic factors, abiotic factors. Biotic factors refer to the living components or organisms within an ecosystem. These include plants, animals, fungi, bacteria, and other microorganisms. Abiotic factors, on the other hand, are the non-living components of an ecosystem. Examples of abiotic factors include sunlight, temperature, water availability, soil composition. A relationship of abiotic and biotic components. The abiotic factors of an ecosystem are important and required for the existence of biotic factors, such as plants need air, water, sunlight, and soil for their survival. Animals need air, water, plants, sunlight, other animals. Humans need air, water, sunlight, plants and animals to stay alive. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.